What if I told you there's a completely free AI image upscaler that actually beats Topaz Labs? Sounds too good to be true? Well, stick around because I'm about to prove it. Hey everyone, welcome back to SoftwareHope. Today I'm showing you how to upscale your images using a new AI tool that's not Topaz Labs. Now, Topaz Lab is great. It's been the best upscaler for any type of image, but I found something better and it's completely free. If you're liking this already, hit that like button and subscribe to SoftwareHope so you don't miss more tips like this. Let me show you what I mean. Here's an old photo of a kid playing video games from the 80s or 90s. As you can see, it's really blurry and low quality. I upscaled this with Topaz Labs first. Now, Topaz gives you only 10 free credits, and once they're gone, you have to pay. Here's the result from Topaz. If I zoom in, it looks decent, but look closely. The hair is blurry and the hand is messed up. The objects around the photo aren't accurate either. So here's the better option, Microsoft Designer. It's totally free and I think it gives even better results than Topaz. Let me walk you through it quickly. I'll put the link in the description. First, go to the Microsoft Designer website. You'll need to log in with your Microsoft account. If you don't have one, just create it with your Gmail. Super easy. Once you're in, click on Edit with AI. Then you'll see the upscale option. Click that. Now just upload your image. I'm uploading the same blurry photo I used before. Click Upload and it will automatically start improving your resolution. One thing to note, you can't choose 2x, 4x, or 6x like in Topaz. It automatically picks the best upscaling for you. And here we go. Look at this result from Microsoft Designer. You can already see it's way better than Topaz Lab. Look at the hair, the hand, and all the objects. Everything is clearer and more accurate. Compare this to the Topaz version. The hair is blurry and the hand looks distorted. But with Microsoft Designer, the hair is crisp, the details are sharp, and everything looks natural. Plus, you get 15 free credits every month. Topaz only gives you 10 credits total and never refreshes them. Huge difference, right? Just click Accept and then hit Download. That's it. Let me open the downloaded image. Zoom in and look at this quality. The hair, the hand, everything is beautifully upscaled with amazing resolution. Now look at the Topaz version again. It's blurry and the hand is messed up. Microsoft Designer clearly wins here. Oh, and one more thing. If you use Microsoft Bing or Microsoft 365, you can get even more free credits. Plus, Microsoft Designer has tons of other editing features you can use. If you want a full tutorial on that, let me know in the comments. So, there you have it. Microsoft Designer. Completely free, 15 credits every month, and better quality than Topaz Lab. If you need to upscale images, definitely try this out. Link is in the description below. Which one do you prefer? Have you tried Microsoft Designer yet? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If this helped you, smash that like button and subscribe to SoftwareHope for more awesome content like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Happy upscaling!